Hey, it's Phil Simon, and I wanted to walk you through the Simple Publicity Tracker. There are 3 databases here. I'll start with the third one, Media Contacts. It's pretty straightforward. You are going to add a contact from a media outlet. There's a template here. You can tweak that if you like, add new ones. This here is just a view of the active ones. You can throw in pictures if you want. I had some fun here. That's Alex Lifeson of Rush. Amy Archer, Hudsucker Proxy, great movie. Brian Griffin, Geddy Lee of Rush. You can group them by outlet if you like. So if you've got multiple contacts from Forbes, HuffPo, whatever, and then there's an inactive one here. Again, pretty straightforward. So you set up your contacts and then you wind up getting a lead. So one of your contacts is interested in doing a podcast, an interview. This chart here is going to work irrespective of plan, but if you want to set up more than one chart, then you would need a paid Notion plan. You can track your published pitches, all of your data here, and again, you can set up as many templates as you want. I've got one here if you're an author like I am. New book excerpt, new guest post, new podcast, whatever. You can see which ones have been published. Again, pretty straightforward here, but I think the best part of this template, in my view, since Notion out of the box doesn't support pivot tables if you're an Excel geek like I am, the media roundup here. This will actually aggregate all of your articles, all of your interviews, all of the buckets here. But then if you go to pipeline, you can see what might be published down the road. You can easily see which pitches haven't cut the mustard, and then you can see total pitches here. So this summary here, I think, is pretty useful. And again, all of this updates in real time. So if you publish something else, or let's say for published here, if we made a mistake and it isn't published here, we can go to status and move that to considering, and then that'll go away here. I'm going to hit Command Z, boom, and that should just show up again. Yeah, pretty straightforward, but I wish that people had used this tool in the past. In previous gigs, I've had some folks who would send me, if I were lucky, spreadsheets, but sometimes Word documents. So this makes this all very, very easy. And like anything else in Notion, if you've got a paid plan, you can easily look at version history here. And if you wanted to revert to something here, you could hit restore. And again, this is just basic Notion functionality, but I think this is a pretty nice roll-up of all of your media leads. Thanks, and I hope you'll check it out.